Hello guys! Tuesday ngayon, tayo ang susundo. At eto, nakapayong tayo sa England! Bihira lang makitang magpayong dito sa England guys. Bihira lang, bilang na bilang sa daliri ang nagpapayong sa England. Pero dahil maulan ngayon, kaya ako nakapayong. Ayoko kayang mabasa. Bahala sila. Ayan, oh. Ang ating panahon. Malungkot ang England. Umiiyak. Lumuluha. Lumuluha ang ating langit. Oh, basa. Wet day. Hate ko magsundo pag ganito ang panahon, pero wala tayong choice, guys. Kaya, ayan. Basa. Nakakatamad lumabas. Ay, nako. Pero kailangan umuwi yung mga bata, kaya sunduin natin sila. At, magbabas tayo, syempre. Wala tayong tatay, wala tayong driver. At least, ngayon maulan, pero hindi gaanong mahangin, kaya nakagamit tayo ng payong. Minsan dito, super lakas ng hangin, ang payong useless, kasi nayuyupi. Kaya, kung ganitong panahon, walang hangin, okay lang siya. Carry lang yung payong. Pero kung mahangin, di ako magdadala ng payong. Ano na lang, jacket at saka hood, ganun. Pero hindi naman mahangin, kaya nagdala ako ng payong. Sana lang on time yung ating bus, guys. Kasi wala nang oras. Malilit na tayo sa pagsundo ng mga bata pag hindi on time ang bus. Kagabi, nagtrabaho ako 3 gabi. Kaya after ng school, mamakdo na lang natin yung mga bata kain sa labas. Hindi ako nagluto eh. So ito na tayo guys, maulan pa rin. Ayan. At ito na tayo sa school. Naghihintay na lang. Greet your child with a smile, not a mobile. Galing ah. Hi! Nahanap ko na ang mga bata. I found them. Hi, Ate. Hi, Ate. Sorry. They're here. Now we're going sa
McDonald's.
What?
Again.
McDonald's or Burger King?
Burger King.
McDonald's.
Burger King.
Oh my God.
Fine,
One McDonald's, one say Burger King. Let's go home.
No, let's go to KFC.
No, Burger King.
So,
Rock,
which
paper,
one?
scissors. None.
Eto. Ano nga ba sinasabi ko? Ayan, naka-raincoat si ate kasi maulan. Si Ading ganun din. Nag-squash kami sa isang payong.
Money?
Ayan. Sabi ko pag
Burger King.
maulan dito, walang payong-payong. Pero may raincoat.
Why aren't you using your flip camera for me?
Ulan guys at malamig. Dahil wala akong tulog. Ako'y ginigina. Yan, bibigyan ako ng gloves ni ate. Kasi pag ganun, pag kulang ka sa tulog, wala kang
Yes, I can't
tulog.
hold my bag like this.
Madali kang ginawin. So, wala tayong luto. Eto na tayo. Kakain na lang sa labas. Tanggalin mo na yung hood mo ate. Kasi tamad ang nanay niya magluto guys. Gari ako ng night. So, dito na tayo sa ginger and garlic. Kakain na lang sila dito bago kami uuwi.
It's
Diba?
gonna be expensive.
Expensive.
Sorry, Mum's bank account.
Broke. Okay, we give up then while you're waiting. So, dito na. Dito na kami.
I'm gonna open my.
Hi. Babasa daw si ate ba habang naghihintay ng
Mum, can I
order.
just try?
Ano?
I'm
Wala
gonna
pa,
put one.
wala pa gaanong tao, kaya okay lang. Ano? What?
I'm gonna try something.
May isa lang dun sa dulo. Try what? Uy.
I'm gonna grab one.
One what?
One sticker.
Ha?
Can you get that? I'm gonna try to pick it up.
Ano yan? With chopstick.
I think that'd be have some.
Hintayin natin yung order natin, guys. Paborito ng mga bata. Anong order mo, ate?
Pad Thai,
Yeah.
fish, with chocolate inside.
Aha.
What's it called? Chips, beans, and that's it.
Hindi ako kakain, guys, kasi kumain ako sa bahay.
Diet.
Diet ka dyan.
I'm gonna go get some.
Secret lang, pangit. Itong dalawa lang pakainin natin, guys, kasi kumain ako sa bahay ng lunch kanina bago ako sumundo. Kaya sila na lang ang inorderan ko. Kaya hintayin na lang natin. Tignan ko ano yung order nila. Interesting ba o boring? Same lagi ang order ng dalawang to. Yung paborito, yun na lang lagi ang in-order. Ito pala, nakabili na tayo ng pinapabili ng tatay natin. Vinegar, suka, dato puti na vinegar. Kasi gagamitin ata niya sa kanyang kilawin ba? O dinakdakan o ano. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung niluto niya. Walang vinegar. Daan daw ako ng vinegar. Kaya ito, isang bagpak. Ayan, guys. Bagpak. Hintayin natin. Ayan, guys. Dumating na ang order number 1 nila. Beans. Paborito ni Ading. At saka chips. Paborito ni ate. At ni Ading. Ayan. Hintayin pa natin yung main course nila. Ito masarap to, oh.
So this is the
Ang
side
pagkain
course.
nito is ganito. Ganyan. Ading, try yung beans mo. Show them how to eat that beans.
Hot.
You don't need chopstick, Baba.
It's hot.
Yeah. Ay, sus, mahulog lang yan. Mahulog lang yan. Hot. Sarap. Ate doesn't really like the beans. Di ba, ate? Do you like the beans? Not really. Bakit? Sarap kaya.
Ay! Opo.
Sarap kaya, ate. Ang kakainin
It's
niya
edible.
is yung buto.
The only thing
hindi na
that's
kinakain.
the only thing is that's not edible is the actual skin.
The skin, just the seed.
Yeah. I'm gonna try the beans.
Well done. Well done, try it. Try the beans.
Oh, mean course is coming.
Well done, ate. Good job. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. Main course.
Mean course.
Pad Thai. At well done, ate. At dahil paborito ng Pad Thai, tig-isa sila ng Pad Thai. Paborito nila ang Pad Thai eh.
Dalawa.
Mamaya, ate. Ano, kain na while it's hot. Nice? You like it now? You like it now? It's not bad, right? Yeah, well done. It's good for you.
Oh, come on. That one's empty.
Well
Oh.
done.
Now to try my favorite part, the pad thai.
You should squeeze the lemon inside.
I don't want to.
Okay, I'll eat the lemon. Look at this. Dare to? Dare me? Yeah?
Wait. You're wedge. It's good.
Mmm. Nice. Mmm. I dare ate. Eat the lemon.
Okay. Get a close up shot of my reaction.
Okay,
Come
one
on, don't
bite.
be silly.
No, I literally just licked it out.
Come on.
One bite and then it's my turn.
Ooh.
My turn, my turn.
Okay, adding stun. Mga pangkan. You're adding stun. Come on, let's do okay. Oh my goodness. You're being silly. Oh, here comes the food, the pudding. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So that's the fish. So what's inside the fish?
Chocolate.
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 Hot
That's
chocolate.
their pudding. Pero inano ko na ng isahan para kasi maghintay na naman kami mamaya ng matagal kung mamaya ko pa i-order. Kaya in-order ko na. Mas maganda naman nakainin na ano. Ayan. Okay, kain na guys.
Kain.
Kain ng dalawa.
We'll see you
Pad thai, chips.
after.
How's school by the way?
Good.
Good. Did you do your rehearsal?
We did music and we learned some of the songs.
Which one?
We learned Falling, but I've already learned it.
Uh-huh.
And we also learned Oh My Ears and Whispers, which I've only a little bit learned it.
Oh, well done. Come on, Abby.
Also, we had to do SATs
Give me
again.
the ano ate.
But I don't think
Give
I
me
did-
the lemon.
I didn't think I did really good on the math test though,
Bakit?
because I don't really like math. I might have to do math tomorrow.
Oh.
But
Because
then
of
you
the
practice
lemon, dahil ayaw nila ang lemon guys, ako na lang kakain. Hanggang sa
Sisama.
lemon na lang ako. Ah. Mmm.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say, Mummy likes sour stuff.
I love sour. I love sour.
You like it even more than me.
Mm. Can I say... What shall I say ate?
No, then both of us.
Mm.
No.
Mm. Nice. Very nice lemon. I love it. Okay. Oh, so you like that beans now, ate? Yeah? Good girl. Okay? Okay, come on, eat up. Otherwise the rain gonna get heavier. It will get heavier later. So
What
we need
time?
to go back home before it get heavy.
What time?
According to my
Calculation.
weather forecast phone, weather forecast on my phone is like 5 something.
Oh,
Now it's 5 o'clock. Oh dear.
halaka.
Halaka. Ayan. Okay? Eat na muna. Bye-bye muna.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
See you after.
guys. See you guys later. Okay guys. Ate finished her pad thai. Now she's on pudding.
I want the chips.
Oh, and they finished this. Ubos na. Ubos na yung beans. Si Ading ang umubos. Si Ading ang umubos.
Ready?
Ubos ni Ate ang pad thai. Nasa pudding na siya. How was it? Ba't inaamoy?
Smells so nice.
Ba't inaamoy mo pa?
Then,
Oh, kagat.
go. One.
Yeah.
Show them what's inside.
It's chocolate.
Really good.
Really? Okay. How about you, Ading? Yung ubusin mo ng pantay mo. Dali. Ang bagay.
Should we help you? I'll tell you.
Not on this. I don't think Ading let you help him on that. If it's rice, yes, he will let you help him. But if it's pantay, easy.
Maybe. Am I gonna come show you something?
Ano? Ano? Come. Where? Come. Saan?
Just go there.
Ayoko.
Bye-bye guys for a second.
Ito guys. Tatry daw nila yung Squid Game. Anong Squid Game na yan? Mga bata kung ano-anong
I might
nakikita mga
get the
uso.
Mona Lisa.
Well, you're not gonna open that until you finish your food.
Okay,
Ubusin
can
mo.
you please help me?
Hindi.
Yeah,
Hindi. No.
I want that pad thai really bad.
Si Ading hindi naubos ang pantay, kaya tinulungan ni ate. Si ate ang reserba. Reserba. Ayan. Now, hindi daw maubos ang pantay, pero may space ang fish. Kalokohan. Oh. Try mo na. How was it? How was it? Nice? Ubos ni ate ang pantay.
With a little bit of towel.
Hindi.
Do you want to try that?
No thanks. I've eaten at home. Bacon.
And we forgot we need to open at home later.
Well, you can eat it at home if you're full. You can take it home.
Oh,
Huh?
what is it
You
now?
didn't even finish your chips, oh. Finish all,
So, oh,
finish all your chips. Don't leave any food on the plate. It's not very nice. You got to finish what you've got. How was it, Adam? Are you sure? Well done out there. Full tummy? No? You're still hungry? Oh my goodness.
I want this.
Well, not
We'll
now.
try it.
Not now. Finish what you've got there.
At
first.
home, we'll try it.
Yeah, you can. Okay? Well done. Success dinner. Ubos lahat. Okay guys, tapos na kumain yung dalawa. Ngayon, maglalakad tayo punta ng bus stop. Kumakain pa si Ading ng fish. Dinala ko na kasi lumalakas ng ulan. So,
Raining so bad, I'm cold.
I know, it's quite cold, isn't it? So, maglakad. So, malapit na kami sa bus stop. Magbabas lang kami pa uwi. Tapos,
I feel dumb.
well, I'm not surprised because it's raining. Okay? Okay? Hindi mo pa ubos. Dito na kami sa bus. Eto na, maulan. Maulan guys. It's only 5 o'clock. Pero ang dark na sa labas. Madilim sa labas. Sa likod yung dalawa. Sa bus pa rin. Sa bus pa rin. Gabi na sa labas guys. Mag-aalas 6 pa lang. Mag-aalas 6 pa lang pero gabi na. Madilim na sa palabas. Ayan. Sa bus pa rin kami. Malapit na tayo sa bahay. Sa bus stop. Okay? Hi. Hi daw. Ayan. Sa wakas guys, dito na tayo. Bababa na tayo. Babaan na. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay? So here. Guys. Madilim na. It's dark na. Gabi na. Alas 6 pa lang. Pero madilim na. Kasi winter. Ayan. Raining pa rin guys. Hintay Adeng. Hintay. Okay, cross dali. Cross the road. Run for your life. Go. Ayan. Uy, it's raining. Halika.
Malika.
From the bus stop, walk tayo guys.
Oh, look, it's Chris.
Huh? Oh yeah, you're right. What is he doing there? Don't have to. It's okay. Hi, Chris. Hi.
Well,
Hello,
hello
you
there.
okay? You're right.
Yeah, miserable weather, isn't
I
it?
know, right? Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes.
Are we going home? They come from school.
How you doing anyway? All right? You grow taller and prettier every time I see you.
Oh, she's taller than me now.
How old are you now?
11.
Goodness me.
She turned 11 last month.
Yeah. Don't they sprint up like cedars, eh?
Very fast, yeah.
Do you live somewhere around here?
Yes,
do you?
not far. We just walk past that way.
Yeah.
So I will see you soon.
Yeah. See you at Mass.
Keep yourself.
Bye.
Bye. From church, remember? Yeah. Why? It's nice. Do you know what? When you're little, he's giving you money.
Yeah.
Did you forgotten?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here guys, nandito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa bahay. Eto na. Pero raining pa rin. Miserable day daw, sabi ni Chris.
Were you even filming then?
Ha?
Were you even filming then?
Yeah. Ayan na. See you guys sa bahay. At maulan, lumalakas ang ulan. So bilisan natin maglakad.
3, 2, 1, bye-bye.
See you later. Hi guys! Finally, nasa bahay na tayo at itong dalawa, dahil hindi na naubos yung pudding nila doon sa labas, inuwi nila. Dito daw nila kakainin. Kaya,
So,
ayan na.
first we went to like the Oriental store and got ourselves a drink.
The older one. The one with ginger.
And then now we're gonna...
Hindi nila nininom yung drinks nila sa sa ginger and garlic. Kaya dito na lang daw nila iinumin. Nagtubig sila kanina. Tapos pagdating dito sa bahay, finally, nearly 6 o'clock na guys ng hapon. Kararating lang namin ng bahay. So,
Yeah, we might
ayan,
need to
gutom na
finish
naman
all
sila. Mga gutom na naman sila. So, ayan, kakainin na nila yung pudding nila tsaka yung biniling drinks na hindi ininom sa ginger and garlic. Kaya ayan, tignan natin kung ano mga reaction nila. Kasi first time nila matry itong pudding na to. Ayun ko kung ano yan. Ano yan? Patingin?
Yay! I
Patingin?
got the good one.
Circle.
I got the circle.
Circle means good one.
Yep.
Ikaw
Yeah,
adding.
Good one.
It's less harder.
I think adding is
Wait,
not
what's
the
the
circle.
needle?
It must be the triangle one.
No, it might be the...
Triangle.
Really hard.
Triangle.
Oh, you got star. Oh,
Star means what?
a little bit good and a little bit
Alam niyo kung magkano yan? How much is that?
£4.
£4 each for that pudding. Ang nipis-nipis. Ano lang pala yan? Parang cookie lang. No? Parang cookie, ate.
You put it in here and then you have to find... Where's
Parang
the
cookie
needle?
lang. May needle ba yan?
Yeah, there's supposed to be a needle.
Oh, you mean you got to break the star without breaking the outside? You
Yeah.
got to get the star
I'm
without
gonna go
breaking.
get needle.
What is this? Squid Game? No? My goodness. So, tanggalin nyo yung star without breaking the outside thing, yeah?
And circle.
Yeah. But do you have a needle come with it?
No.
No, you should. I think I can. Hi guys, ito dahil tayo ng tatay natin, pinabili tayo ng vinegar at saka yan tuloy napabili ako ng kung ano pa. Nung pumunta kami sa Birmingham, bumili ako nito. 2. Inubos na nila. Nagtrabaho lang ako ng 3 gabi. Inubos na nila. So, bumili ulit. Asan yung isang clovers, ate? We bought 2, didn't we? Ate? Yung isang clovers, kunin mo nga sa bag mo. At saka bumili ako nito. Kasi, gusto ko parang masarap sa pansit. Yung sultang nun. Bumili ako ng 2. Saka may noodles. Minsan, nag-crave ng noodles mga bata. Ayan, ang binili ko. At saka yung kanyang...
Me and Adding broke our dog enough.
Ready.
We failed.
Vinegar. At saka, bumili ako ng gabi. I like gabi. Binuboil ko lang siya. Gabi. Ang binili natin. Yung pudding.
It's really good. It's like caramel, but like when you put it in your mouth, it kind of like dissolves.
Really?
Yeah.
That's nice. How about you, Adding? Is it nice? Do you like it? Ah,
I don't really like caramel.
you don't? Oh, well. You got to eat that now or Ate will finish it. Okay, that's it now. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Ayan guys, so thank you. Salamat po sa panunood, sa suporta. Maraming salamat. See you again next time. Bye.